If your cat has been coughing frequently lately, it could be related to radon gas in your home. This is something every pet owner should be aware of. They're closer to the danger than we are. Radon, this radioactive gas seeping through foundations, is the second leading cause of lung cancer in American homes, posing double the threat to pets who spend their lives close to the ground. So you need a radon detector. If your test results exceed safe levels, immediately open windows to ventilate and reduce indoor radon concentrations, or consider installing a radon mitigation system in your home.